హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, నమస్తే. వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు మై ఛానల్ జనరల్ నాలెడ్జ్ అథ్లెట్ 1. ఇవాళ వీడియోలో మీకు రీసెంట్ కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ షేర్ చేస్తున్నాను. స్పోర్ట్స్కి సంబంధించి అన్ని కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్కి యూజ్ అవుతాయి. సో వీడియోని అయితే స్కిప్ చేయకుండా ఎండ్ వరకు చూడండి. రీసెంట్లీ విచ్ స్టేట్ వన్ ద నగేష్ ట్రోఫీ ఇన్ ద మెన్స్ నేషనల్ T20 క్రికెట్ ఫర్ ద బ్లైండ్? ఆప్షన్స్: ఆప్షన్ ఏ మహారాష్ట్ర, బి Kerala, C Karnataka, and option D Gujarat. The correct answer is option C Karnataka. Karnataka secured the Nagesh Trophy in the men's national T20 cricket tournament for the blind 2023 to 2024, triumphing over Andhra Pradesh by 9 wickets in a thrilling final in Nagpur. The win ended Karnataka's 20-year national title drought, highlighting the remarkable talent, resilience and determination of visually impaired cricketers. The victory not only celebrated their sporting prowess but also emphasized the spirit that defines blind cricket as a testament to overcoming challenges. Second one, where was the first BIMSTEC Aquatics Championship organized? Options: option A Lucknow, option B New Delhi, option C Gandhinagar, and option D Bhopal. And the correct answer is option B New Delhi. Union Minister Anurag Singh Thakur inaugurated the first BIMSTEC Aquatics Championships 2024 in New Delhi, marking the first time hosting of the event. He emphasized the collaboration of 7 BIMSTEC countries, transforming the Bay of Bengal into a hub for progress and development. The 4-day competition features swimming, water polo, and diving events for under 20 all athletics, with 39 medals and 9 trophies at stake. Recently, which country's women's team clinched the gold medal in the Badminton Asia Team Championship? Options: option A Thailand, option B India, option C Malaysia, and option D China. The correct answer is B India. India's women's badminton team won their first ever gold medal at the Badminton Asia Team Championships in Shah Alam, Malaysia. The team defeated Thailand 3-2 in the final match, with Anmol Karp's victory over Ponpicha Choi Ki-wong in the third singles game clinching the gold. Recently, which cricketer made fastest 10,000 runs in T20? Options: option A Rohit Sharma, option B Babar Azam, option C Travis Head, and option D Rishabh Pant. The correct answer is B Babar Azam. Babar Azam, former Pakistan captain, set a historic record as the fastest batter to score 10,000 runs in T20 cricket during a Karachi Kings vs Peshawar Jalmi match in PSL 2024. This remarkable feat makes him the 13th player to achieve this milestone, adding another accolade to his illustration career. How many gold medals did India win in the Asian Indoor Athletics Championships? Options: option A 3, option B 4, and option C 2, option D 5. And the correct answer is option A 3. India has won 3 gold medals and 1 silver medal at the 2024 Asian Indoor Athletics Championship in Tehran, Iran. On the opening day of the championships, the following athletes won gold medals: Tajinder Pal Singh Tour Ace Shot Putter Jyoti Yarraji 100-meter hurdle, Harmilan Brains 1500 meters. FIFA World Cup 2026 will be hosted by which one of the following countries? Options: option A Canada, Mexico and the United States, B Italy and France, C Spain and Russia, D Africa, Europe and South America. The correct answer is Canada, Mexico and the United States. The 2026 FIFA World Cup will be hosted by Canada, Mexico and the United States. The tournament will take place from June 11 to July 19, 2026 and will feature 104 matches across 16 cities. The tournament will feature 48 teams with 60 games played in the United States, 10 in Canada and 10 in Mexico. The tournament will begin in Mexico City's Estadio Azteca Stadium and conclude in Newark, New Jersey on July 19, 2026. The 2026 World Cup will be the first hosted by three nations and the first North American World Cup since 1994. Road to Paris 2024, championing clean sports and uniting for anti-doping conference is recently hosted by which organization? Options: Option A, National Anti-Doping Agency NADA. Option B, National Forensic Science University. C, Sports Authority of India. And option D, National Sports Federations in India. And the correct answer is A, National Anti-Doping Agency. With the Paris Olympics approaching, the National Anti-Doping Agency held the Road to Paris 2024, championing clean sports and uniting for anti-doping conference to educate Indian athletes on the dangers of prohibited substances. Anurag Singh Thakur inaugurated the Center of Excellence for Nutritional Supplements Testing at the National Forensic Sciences University in Gandhinagar. The university, organized for its national significance, is a hub of innovation in forensic and cyber sciences. The event in New Delhi facilitates crucial discussions and strategies for anti-doping initiatives leading up to the 2024 Paris Olympics. Recently, which country won the 2024 ICC Under-19 World Cup? Options: A, Australia, B, India, C, South Africa, D, New Zealand. The correct answer is A, Australia. Australia won the 2024 ICC Under-19 World Cup by defeating India by 79 runs in the final match on February 11, 2024 at Willowmore Park, Benoni, South Africa. This is Australia's fourth ICC Under-19 World Cup victory and the third consecutive time they defeat India in the final. The 2024 Under-19 cricket World Cup ran from January 19 to February 11, 2024 and used a limited overs, 50 overs format. United World Wrestling lifted suspension on the Wrestling Federation of which country? Options: Option A, Australia, Option B, China, and C, India, Option D, Vietnam. The correct answer is C, India. The United World Wrestling lifted the suspension on the Wrestling Federation of India. The WFI was placed under a provisional suspension on August 23, 2023 after failing to hold an election within a reasonable time frame. The suspension lift means that Indian wrestlers can now compete in upcoming tournaments under their country's flag. Recently, where was the Asian River Rafting Championship organized? Options: Option A, Simla, B, Dehradun, C, Varanasi, D, Ayodhya. The correct answer is A, Shimla. Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu inaugurated the Asian River Rafting Championship near Basantpur on Satluj River near the ridge Shimla. The event hosts 20 teams from nations including Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, Iran, Iraq, Tajikistan, Kazakhstan and Indonesia, emphasizing the government's commitment to promoting adventure tourism. The Chief Minister highlighted a recent river rafting marathon in Nadaun, Hamirpur district as a part of this initiative. సో ఫ్రెండ్స్, వీడియోని లైక్ చేసి ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకొని ప్లీజ్ సపోర్ట్ చేయండి. ఇంకా ఎవరికైతే ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేయాలనుకుంటే వీడియోని అయితే తప్పకుండా షేర్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ. హ్యావ్ ఎ నైస్ డే.